Good morning. Thinking about my ADHD this morning, and it's interesting because sometimes it can be a hindrance to focus and productivity and whatnot, but other times I do look at it as a superpower. And one of the challenges is, even on those days where I work literally 24 hours, my to-do lists get longer rather than shorter. That sounds crazy, doesn't it? The reason is I just keep getting more and more ideas, and so many opportunities present themselves that I have a hard time filtering through them and deciding what's the most important and what I should really focus on at the exclusion of the other things. But one positive from that is that the ideas just keep coming, and I think that is part of the superpower. And being here this week at a world-class mastermind means that through conversation with brilliant entrepreneurs, those ideas start to coalesce and the priorities start to get a little bit more clear, as does my vision. And man, oh man, I've had so many great conversations with incredible people this week. And what's come from that is me waking up this morning with just insane clarity about exactly how to funnel my energies and how to create value for the dentists I serve in the most meaningful, impactful, and logical way. And oh my God, I'm so excited about that. You know, I worked so hard over the past year putting together luxury dental retreats, putting together a website that is comprehensive and fully optimized, that has tons of value for the dentists who visit, and lots of systems and programs and opportunities. And I'm not going to eliminate any of that because it's all important, and I think there's value in all of that. I mean, 29 years in this business, and I've learned a lot. I've done a lot. I feel like I've done just about everything that you can do as a dentist, as an associate, as a practice owner, as a multi-practice owner, as someone who started as an engineer, meaning that I worked with my hands to take care of patients, and I think did it really, really well. Did as much CE as I possibly could to become the best dentist I could. I got to teach, I got to lead, I got to be involved with amazing programs and groups. And then, hey, as things grew, I started to become more of a manager of people until I had a team of about 27 in multiple locations and a lot of great associate doctors. And through that process, I was able to elevate some of my amazing team members to managers and leaders in their own rights, which was super exciting and very fulfilling for me to watch all of them learn and grow and become leaders. And that allowed me to become more of a leader myself. I'm not going to lie and say that that was an intentional path. The engineer to manager to leader path is something that Tony Robbins talks about, and I know a lot of other people do as well. And in my case, it just kind of happened naturally, not like overnight. I mean, it took years and lots of trial and error, lots of mistakes, but we also had a lot of successes along the way. But I say all of that to underscore the value of anybody who's been plying their trade for 29 years. And when they take it seriously and they work hard and they make great relationships, they work with integrity, they try to create value for everyone in their lives. Patients, obviously, their teams, their communities, their families. And when you do all of that and you try to do it the right way, it means that there comes a time where you've got a lot to give back. And, that's where we're at. I'm talking about the Foundation Dental Alliance, of course, and all of the great people who have agreed to be a part of that, whether as faculty or the advisory board or trusted partners or just friends that have ideas and want to contribute in some way. And then ultimately, the dentists and teams that we serve through this. So the clarity comes from the notion that the real value, the greatest value that I can offer is by leading a phenomenal dentist mastermind. I mean, and I've thought about like specializing, like just this or just that, or man, we did this really well. Then I realized that we did a lot of things really well, and I have a lot of people who are a part of this who are specialists and niche experts in a lot of different things. And so the idea now is, let's make this a mastermind where you can learn all of the most important pillars of dentistry from the very best in dentistry. And so that's the direction we're going to go in. And now it's just a matter of organizing that in a way that makes sense from a sequential standpoint, a volume standpoint, and then specificity with regard to how we lay it out and who lays it out. So I couldn't be any more excited about that. And that's going to be my mission over the next couple of weeks. And to be able to pour all of my time and all of my energy and all of my passion into that project is something that will create value and fuel everything else that we do with the Foundation Dental Alliance.